The wine pourer. Insert the wine pourer firmly and carefully into the top of the bottle to pour your wine without spilling a drop. And here you can see it is really working. There's no space for dropping wine because the pourer is getting the wine into the glass immediately. It also ventilates the wine. That means the air is coming on the upper side inside the bottle. Job's done. Really easy to inflate. And no drops. Yeah. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.